Where is the fuse box located in the 2025 Genesis G90? What components are protected by the fuse box? And how can you easily identify the specific fuses in the diagram? In this guide, we will learn about the 2025 Genesis G90 fuse box diagram and location. Engine compartment fuse panel, engine room junction block. The 2025 Genesis G90 engine compartment fuse panel, engine room junction block provides power protection to critical engine components, including the alternator, starter motor, and cooling system. It features a clearly labeled fuse diagram for easy identification and replacement. Engine compartment fuse panel, engine room subjunction block. The 2025 Genesis G90 engine compartment fuse panel, engine room subjunction block protects various engine and electrical systems, ensuring optimal performance and safe. Trunk fuse panel, rear subjunction block. The 2025 Genesis G90 trunk fuse panel, rear subjunction block, protects electrical components in the trunk area, ensuring proper functionality of features like lighting and power outlets. Trunk fuse panel, battery junction block. The 2025 Genesis G90 trunk fuse panel, battery junction block, manages power distribution to key trunk systems, including battery connections and related electrical components. Instrument panel, fuse panel. The 2025 Genesis G90 instrument panel, fuse panel protects vital systems such as the infotainment, air conditioning, and lighting. It features a clearly labeled diagram for easy identification of each fuse's function and capacity.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.